got it. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Look at that, baby! My first rainbow! Oh! Holy shit! Look at that! Look at that rainbow! Holy shit! That is beautiful! My first rainbow, my second rainbow. My second rainbow. My second rainbow, look at that. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. This is so awesome. Yes. Fucking awesome, guys. Awesome, awesome. Awesome. Oh my god, this one's big. This guy's big. This guy is nuts. This is nuts. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow. Oh my gosh. This is by far the biggest trout I've ever caught. 19 inches from tip of the head to the tip of the fin, tail. Right at 19 inches. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful trout.